Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs. Welcome back again to this channel. This next video is about a Devant UHD Smart LED TV. The TV is turning on with the logo, then a horizontal line appears on the screen, and does not continue to boot. I will show you what is going on this TV. If you like this content, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell so you will notice every time I post a new video. So let's get started. Measuring the secondary voltages. "12 volts is present, but it's fluctuating. Also, the backlight is blinking. Let's look at the other side of the power supply. "12 volts is fluctuating. "16 volts audio supply is steady. Also, the backlight supply is fluctuating. BL on is steady. Even if the LED bulb supply is disconnected, the voltage is still fluctuating. I will measure the 12 volts current drawing from the motherboard. It's only 760 milliamps to 890 milliamps. It's only a low amount of current the motherboard is pulling. I think no problem with the motherboard. Maybe this power supply is the problem. I have checked the 12 volts capacitor filter is okay, and the main capacitor is good, Also the PFC. The LED capacitor, and this optocoupler is okay. No component defective found. Until I find out that one of the line wires going to the LED bulb has no current. This may be the reason for the voltage fluctuation. And so the motherboard does not continue to boot because of the 12 volts fluctuation. Some of the LED bulbs are open, so I have to remove the LCD panel and replace them. The LCD is successfully separated. Three of the LED bulb is open, and there are 120 pieces, all of them. I will only replace the open LED this time. All of the LED is on and the blinking is gone.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. I didn't expect that the backlight was the problem, but thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, this is Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.